I'm going to show you how to make a cocktail called a Start off with our ice. Pour that into your glass, just about halfway. Then we're going to add to that 1 ounce of apricot brandy, just like so. Next, we're going to add in 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. And your vermouth is a wine product, so you want to keep that refrigerated. It's going to increase its shelf life, and it's going to taste a lot better. Then we're going to add in 1 ounce of vodka. There we go. And a splash of bitters. Go ahead and shake this up. And then you're going to grab a cocktail glass, and I've got one chilling over to the side. Just fill your cocktail glass with ice. Pour out the ice when you're ready to strain in your cocktail, and your glass will be nice and cold. Put your strainer right on top of your shaker, hold it on nice and tight with your finger, and strain that into your glass. Just like so. And there you have it, a Czarina. Cheers.